Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first look at this Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So this one is not new, it came out in 2024, but I finally got my hands on this as it's on sale, so it was a good deal. Might as well just upgrade to the best one that Samsung has to offer. So my older buds is this one. This is the Galaxy Buds 1, the original OG one. You can see it's a pill-shaped design. It's really old. I mean, yeah, it's a white color one, and it's starting to show its age in terms of its battery life and also the earbuds itself. I noticed the volume on the left side of the earbuds is reduced already, so I think it's gonna spoil anytime soon, but it still works fine. It's just that the battery life is not very great, so I don't think it could even last you like 4 hours continuous music. It's like only 2 hours now. I think it's, yeah, you have to charge it pretty often, so it's, yeah, starting to show its age. So it's about time I upgrade to this one. So yeah, at the moment this time recording, this is the best they have. They might release a new one next year in 2026, maybe with the S26 series, not sure, but this is the best one we have right now, and it is the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. They have one more variant, which is the non-pro one. I don't really recommend getting that one. I just would suggest just get this one. This just a little bit more for your money. You'll get more better specs in terms of features you're getting. I think it's way worth it to pay a bit more to get this one than saving a little bit just to get the normal version. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and set up for the first time. So we'll see how it goes, and yeah, see you guys there. Alright guys, so let us unbox the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So yeah, let me just get my knife and we're gonna cut the seals open. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the knife. Let's cut it open. So yeah, done, and then this side. Alright, let's see. So lift it up, should come out. It's a bit hard to come out, but I should. There we go. So that's the buds. But before we get to it, let's take a look at what we get in the box. So yeah, let's just flip this open. So this looks like maybe it's the usual user manual. So let's just open up to check. Oh, we do get a cable as well to charge the device. So here is quick start guide. Okay, we also got the cable right here. So yeah, so this is the type C to type C cable. Yep, there we go. And this device also supports wireless charging, so if you don't want to use the cable, you can just charge it wirelessly. It shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, so that is all we get in the box actually, and this is the Buds 3 itself. So let me just take it out, and wow, it's actually quite smaller than my old one. I can give you guys my old one here. You can see initial comparison, yeah, totally different design. This is a pill-shaped one. This one looks like it's like a bigger version, but it's taller. So yeah, it's different design, totally different. But yeah, so the charging port is now here. We have a pairing button as well, and if you open it up, it should auto pair with my device. I'll show you guys later. So yeah, let's just put that aside while I keep all these things, and we're gonna pair it up with my Galaxy S25 Ultra right here. So the pairing process should be pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna unlock my device, and if we open up, we should begin pairing immediately because this is the nearest device. So it should kind of detect. You can see Galaxy Buds 3 Pro already detected, so we can just straight pair it with the device. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it, and in the meantime that's doing, you can see we have the left and right earbud has a software update, let it run, and then you can see over here we have the, just open up, you can see we have the blade design with the lights. I think it was on for a while, and there's these are the in-ear style earbuds. So yeah, and same for the right side as well. We have the light here to charge, to show you guys the charge status, and that's it. So pretty nice. I think it's not fully charged. As you can see, it's not green. But yeah, now let's see. It says we have to yeah, agree with all these things. So let me go ahead and do it. So we don't have to agree to all actually. Some is optional. So yeah, I think this is okay. This I don't want to check the diagnostics data thing. Yeah, so there we go. All right, allow and allow, allow, all permissions. Allow and adaptive noise control. Turn off adaptive control the back noise. Allow. Yeah, this one is something nice. This device has is adaptive, so you can change in settings. Voice and silent screen detection. This one is also something unique to the Buds 3 Pro. So yeah, and then next, customize listening in different apps. And that's it. We have set up the software for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Alright, so I'm in the settings. You can see this is my Buds 3 Pro and this is the user interface. And you can see we have the toggles over here to activate the ambient sound, adaptive or active noise cancellation, also known as ANC. And we can auto switch to ambient sound if we want based on these toggles. We also have sound quality and effects. You can see right here. 360 audio is one of the highlights of this device as well, so that's nice. We also got a lot of other features as well to explore. We got advanced quality options, ultra high quality audio. You need to test that out. We got the earbud fit test as well, adapt sound. Voice controls also is something nice. So yeah, we have the Bixby voice wake up with the voice commands. We got manage connections as well, advanced features. You can see over here a lot of stuff to play around with. And we also have the diagnostics. I think this will take you to the Samsung member app. Here we go. And listen to our customer. I'm not sure what's this. And we have a software update available already for this device. We'll check it out later. And yeah, I think that's about it. The case is not fully charged. I'll charge it up later. But other than that, yeah, so that's the overall software experience. And I am still yet to test this out for myself because I just got it today. But yeah, this is the case on how it looks like. Pretty nice. I will say this is more nicer than the pill shape one that I'm using last time. So yeah, I will definitely have to get used to this new form factor for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. But other than that, that's all guys. This is a simple setup process and pairing of the device to my Galaxy device right here. Everything is really nice. I have another video coming up as well after this, is related to the Buds 3 Pro. I have a new case coming, so stay tuned for that video. We'll be doing an unboxing. I'm going to also install it to this device and see how it looks like. It's coming very soon, so stay tuned for the video. That's all for me guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.